There doesn't seem to be anybody here. These hills look pretty wild. Yeah. Close call. They don't want me there. They'll have to try and stop me. How's it, everybody? I'm Chris. Please join me as I explore this amazing planet. In our last video, the first in the Palawan Adventure series, we traveled for 2.5 days in mostly rainy weather to reach the island of Barangonan off the northeast coast of Palawan in the Philippines. In this video, I'll be exploring the southeast coast of Barangonan Island by kayak. Breakfast at Coco Cayo. There are the two daughters enjoying their breakfast, the two fashionadas. And well, most of the food are already finished. And it's hot out there, hot and sunny. We'll see if we can do some kayaking today. Lovely. The girls planned to spend the morning relaxing and swimming, while I decided to hit the ocean with a kayak. Okay, so we're out kayaking. It's Cayo Coco. Very hot out here. So where should we go? Left or right? I think left. Let's try left. We'll go see what's around that corner. So I discovered this little cay here, small beach. It seems pretty wild. There doesn't seem to be anybody here except the birds and the trees. Beautiful beach. Beautiful colors, also the green meeting the blues and the greens of the sea. Just walk down here a little while. It's about, let's say, 200 meters long. It's not that small actually. There doesn't seem to be anybody here. Just gonna take a break here in the shade. It's very, very hot today. Right. So a nice quiet beach, beautiful, beautiful. Maybe in 20 years there'll be a big resort or a hotel here, but for now I've got it all to myself. Excellent. Alright, I'm going to get back to the kayak and continue exploring. hills look pretty wild. There's some bears in those hills. Well, maybe not bears, but maybe some possums and a monkey or two. The next corner into the next bay. Oh, it's a tiny little beach there. I'll just do a row past, because I think there are bigger beaches around the next corner. Quite a current, but fortunately it seems like the current will be from behind when you go back. Some coral here. Let's check this out. A pedal by here. Hopefully this isn't a dead end. Seems quite navigable. Once again, beautiful wild spot. Little gym. If I weren't married, I could ask my wife to get married here, but I'm already married, so it'll have to be for somebody else. This looks dangerous. Let's see if we can get through this. Not sure why there are such strong waves here, and hopefully we don't end up in those rocks. That was a close call. I think just get around here, then it'll be easier. Get around this. Whoa, that's a big one. Close call. So this is basically the south side of Barangonan Island, which is seems to be uninhabited. If you look at Google satellite images, there doesn't seem to be much going on here, but rocky, wild. Beautiful though, beautiful. We're going to try and make it to that white strip of sand ahead. There actually seems to be people here. We'll go ashore anyway. No, go ashore. You don't want me there? You have to try and stop me. Oh yeah. Well, that was a bit of a rough ride, which we've made it. Let's go ashore and walk up and down, stretch the legs a little. Okay, we made it. We had to work a little harder to get to this one, but I think it's worth it. It's another beautiful beach. Quite wild. Although I see there's some like temporary structures among the trees. Let's just walk down the beach for a while. It's getting low tide now, so the kayak should be fine. Keep an eye on that. Quite jungly. Wild and jungly. I don't know if this is a resort. People just living here. Certainly not a village. Maybe just private settlement here. But it's equally beautiful to the other beaches that I've been. And I think I'll do one more bay, and then we'll go back. This is getting low tide, so we don't want to get stuck on the rocks. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, I can see some more beaches up ahead, but the current is really strong now, and this old body isn't what it used to be. So there's some nice looking beaches there, but I think it's time to get back to Cococayo. I'll head home and maybe have a bite to eat until the next adventure. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd also like to invite you to please join my channel. See you next time.